Hello everyone, David Lewis here. You know, when it comes to F&I, the most valuable product to sell in the F&I department has been, and always will be, the extended service contract. This product protects the customer, creates an easier process for the service department, and obviously is a huge profit product for the dealership. But there's one process in the sale of an extended service contract that is truly hurting your ability to close the sale, and that is when the salesperson plants the seed prior to the presentation. Most are still teaching the salespeople to plant the seed for the service contract. A statement such as, I'm going to bring you in to meet our F&I manager. He or she is going to go over some additional options to extend your factory warranty. I very highly recommend you take advantage of them. Or something similar to that. All these statements do is warn the customer of what is to come. It makes them more defensive and then harder to sell the product. As an F&I manager, you want the customer to enter your office in a very excited and relaxed mood, not a defensive one. So, stop the planting of the seed for the service contract, and you'll find your customer to be in a much better posture to listen to what you have to offer. Give it a try. I'll think you'll be surprised by the results.